Integrity is what is you. Whether you are going to have joy in life or suffering in life, first you need to live. Life itself will happen to you only with integrity. After that, you can start working for avoiding suffering and having joy. But even when the integrity is not there, any joy you bring will only be a depression. Any suffering, before even it comes, it will provoke depression in you. Even your sufferings, you will go through with understanding and knowledge. Even your suffering will add strength to you. What for I am alive? To teach to people. I'll do that till I am alive. I'll do that even after I leave the body. I'm very clear. Understand, honesty and authenticity brings the long-term value. It does not disturb your short-term performance. It only increases your short-term performance. If you feel your short-term performance is not allowing you to create long-term values, both are contradicting, you are cunning. If you feel both are not contradicting, both go hand in hand. Maybe I can call you as little honest. Only when you realize long-term value creation is expanding your short-term performance, both are enriching each other, I'll call you are authentic. Neither honesty nor authenticity. I tell you, even in your company, if you feel people are honest and trying to move towards authenticity, run that department. Otherwise, shut it down, because it is going to be dangerous for you. I teach you what I practice. I practice what I teach. Understand? This corporate decision which I am giving you, it's a very important decision. Do not even respect human beings who have not come even to the level of honesty as a human beings. All of you, take up this as a homework. Sit and associate every action you perform to the core of your life's mission. Honestly. Understand, if you can honestly connect and able to believe the short-term performance, every action is directly connected to your long-term values, you will not only be blissful inside, your performance will just explode. When there is direct connection of long-term value creation is not there, not only your short-term performance does not happen, you become cunning. You start cheating on life. When you cheat on life, you lose life itself. Cunningness is cheating on life. It's like you steal from your own house. When you steal from your own house and destroy your life, you are doomed, nothing else. Unable to connect the short-term performance with the long-term values means cheating on life, nothing else. Dishonesty. I tell you, never ever believe the people, their words, their actions who cheat on life. Who cheat on life are the worst fellows, can do anything. They should neither be trusted, nor be believed, or be even respected as human beings. People who cheat on life are chandalas. Because they don't even have respect on their own life. Aligning short-term performance and long-term value creation is inner awakening. Integrity is your life. The word you utter, the commitment you make is your life. Die to keep up that. Even if you die, nothing wrong. You will live. Understand, cosmos will remember you only as your integrity. The life will remember you only based on the strength of your integrity, nothing else. Die to keep your integrity alive. Nothing is wrong. How many bodies you sacrifice to keep the integrity alive, it is worth. But whatever you sacrifice to keep the integrity alive, but if you sacrifice the integrity for any reason, to keep your laziness, coziness, non-thinking, cunningness, anything alive, you will be destroyed. Then only Kalabhairava's Trishul to relate with you. Nothing else can relate with you. Integrity is life. Dishonesty is